hak jingile ban pengklan shu ika party congress hak jela Meghalaya Nagalyang Danish Abrar observer ka All India Congress Committee ubadairu National Secretary hak Arab Saudrik Rumpang Arjap Rio ula Hiar Eastern West Khasils District ban shimanta program gula tip kum Srijan Abhiyan kata bani kendo nongelam ki District Congress Committee hak jingelang ka bala penlong office rekam ka DCC headquarter Mairang hagani janmir lai donlang du ki nongelam ka party naga state nol ki nongelam na Mairang block bat Mauthar Ration block Udanish Abrar bakran sigilat patai khubor ula penpa ka jingwan chungu shagani district kalamban pentrikam ek program kata banthong bat jet thamai borok ki district president long basushu lang bagan ek program ka party kan lech shinong nongkondong ban kendu ginong kitkam kinong ilam ban watching tip yanu kin jet nong ilam hapok district ki bala bantrei nak banta ki pajba nolor kata ula penpa uru chingso diaw ba hapok jela Meghalaya kinong ekhon election ka Shet kalai ka party kadba ki pajba ka jelapat ki buat ka party congress
revitalization drive in English, but original name what has been given is Sangathan Sarjan Abhiyan. So in this Sangathan, under this Sangathan Sarjan Abhiyan, the party is going to the grassroots, the last house, not in the town, but last house in the village, to the workers, to the leaders, to the social groups, to the society, and ask and inquire and find out as to who can be the best person in the district to lead the party, who is the person who is fighting on streets for the people, who is the person who is acceptable to all the society, all the caste, all the tribes. And for this purpose, our Congress President Kylla Rahul Gandhi ji and the Organizing Secretary Kyrwoh sir has appointed observers all over India in all the districts, and they are supposed to go stay there for 10 days, meet the leaders, meet the people, meet the workers, meet the booth level people, and ask them as to whom they would want to see their Congress president in the district. And we are here to ask them, talk to them, discuss them, make report and advise, give suggestions of minimum 6 names to the leadership as to what the public wants, what the worker wants, and according to our suggestions, according to the party's own intelligence report, according to the own surveys what's happening, party will accordingly take a decision to appoint the DCC president of the district. First time in Meghalaya, first time in Shillong, first time in district, first time in Mairang. So I have just arrived and I'm going to start the work from today. I'll be here for the next 7 to 10 days. So we shall come up with your questions, your queries and your feedbacks after a few days. And I would request you to rather help us and sending the message to the people of Mairang here, to the whole Khasi Hills district here, that they should give their best piece of advice, best piece of opinion to us as to whom they would want to see, whom do they think is the person or the worker of the party who's loyal to the party, honest to the party. Because what's happening in Meghalaya is people are not being loyal. People have been cheating the ticket, cheating the party. The people of Meghalaya, they vote for Congress, they vote for symbol, they vote for Rahul Gandhi. But after winning elections on Congress ticket, for their vested interest, they leave the party. This is shame on the leaders who have been cheating the ticket, cheating the party, cheating the leaders. So, with the help of you, I would like to tell the people of Northeastern District, the Eastern West Khasi Hill people, that I am here for the next 7 to 10 days. Please come up or call us. We will be there and advise us as to who is the best person to lead our party in your district.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ai ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing ma lani ka rukom shed yaki
Balehi banai kita.
ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam madon ka sharp plus f menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya